Good morning, everyone. So we have completed almost 90 lines in Act 1, Scene 2. And till now, what we have found, the basic character of Miranda, we can get a valid concept of a character that she is extremely soft-hearted girl of hardly 15, 16, maximum 17 years. Or we can say confidently 16 years because we have that calculation that he was banished, she was banished, she along with her father got banished from the kingdom of Milan at a very young age of 3 or 4. So it is 12 years almost, so 12 plus 4, 16 years. Further, she was so much terrified at the shipwreck that occurred in Act 1, Scene 1. And her tension could be seen in the face of her at the very beginning of the scene because she mentioned her father that her heart got totally terrified. Further, she was also shocked to know the past of her own. It was very hard for her to believe that she belonged to the royal family. Her father was a king. Further, Prospero mentioned that he was the Duke of Milan. He left all the authority and management of the state into the hands of his brother, and later on, that very brother cheated him. So, all these consequences and these references we have got here, which prove that this scene is very, very interesting. So, here you go, we have completed till line number 90. We will start from line number 91. Now, when we will have live classes, kindly mention those lines you have problem or doubt with, so I'll solve those things. Here we go. Thank you. Prospero. I pray thee, mark me. Pray thee means I request you. Mark me stands for listen to me. I thus neglecting worldly ends. Worldly ends mean the materialistic affair. Worldly ends stands for materialistic affairs. So here the materialistic affair stands for the kingship and kingdom. So he left all these things, all dedicated to closeness and the battering of my mind. And after that, what he had done, he dedicated himself to closeness. Closeness means to solitude or loneliness, or very close to his own self. So he dedicated himself to loneliness or solitude and the battering of my mind. Yeah, battering means the development or upliftment. Upliftment of my mind means of my knowledge. Actually, what he used to do during this period of time, he used to study those magical things as well as logic, mathematics, and science. So, since he had to study all these things and had to dedicate himself to all this spiritual affair, so what he had done, he left the materialistic values like the kingship or the kingdom. The battering of my mind with that means with such studies which, but by being so retired, which, but by being so retired means can be considered strange. Retired means strange by all. So he dedicated himself in such study which can be considered as strange by everyone. He lived such a royal life and started living a life in salvation alone in order to study all these spiritual items, which is obviously strange to the other people. Next, overpriced all the popular rates in my false brother, awaked an evil nature. Overpriced means entrusted. All popular rate, that means all the regular activities in my false brother. False mean a liar, or you can also call a fake brother or disloyal. Awakened an evil nature, and by handing over all these things to his brother, what happened in him? He just raised an evil nature in him. That means by doing so, he had awakened an evil nature in him. So he is considering himself faulty for raising such kind of nature in his brother. By trusting him so much, by giving him all the facilities, what he has done, he made himself an evil. He made himself greedy. So here for evil nature we can also write the greedy nature. And my trust, like a good parent, did beget of him a falsehood in the contrary. And my trust, here my stands for Prospero. So trust for whom? Trust towards Antonio. Like a good parent, did beget of him a falsehood, its contrary. So, like a good parent, he used to take care of his brother like a father. Did beget of him, that means generated in him. Generate in him a falsehood in its contrary. So, the trust he had for his brother generated word inside Antonio? Falsehood. In its contrary, that means as opposite. So, in opposite, what he received? He received only falsehood, as great as my trust was. So, Antonio's falsehood was as great as Prospero trust. So that was as powerful as Prospero's trust, which had indeed no limit. And that mistrust and that jealousy and greediness that had no limit, that was beyond the limit, which means Antonio's greed and evil nature had no limit, beyond limit. A confidence sans bound. And confidence sans bound stands for Prospero's confidence in Antonio was beyond limit or boundary. So he had that much faith in him, and he just misused that particular faith. And what he had done out of that faith, he totally spoiled the kingship and all the authorities of his brother, cheated him, and almost tried to destroy him. He being thus lauded, he stands for Antonio. So he being thus lauded stands for he being the Lord, obviously self made Lord. Not only with my revenue yielded, Not only my revenue yielded, but what my power might else extract. That means he being Lord, what he had done, he did not only collect the revenue produced, but what my power might else exact. Revenue stands for taxed, yielded means produced. But what my power might may else exact. Exact means take. So what he has done, he made use of the tax collected as well as plundered wealth by taking whose name, by taking Prospero's name. So that's the evil thing he had. So what is done, that he plundered a huge wealth not only with his authority as a duke, but also by taking the name of his brother. We will complete till here today. Next day we will complete the remaining speech of him. Thank you very much.